Save up to 800 ringgit and enjoy clean air with your family at home by getting a Sunway air purifier Lombok 2.
Hello, you're watching Bizworld. I'm Nakia Bashruddin. Property developers are well prepared to cope with the economic impact of COVID-19 compared with the 2008 financial crisis. Hartamas Real Estate Group founder and Group Managing Director Eric Lim said many development projects done had been financed through equity financing rather than bank borrowings, and while some developers formed joint ventures with landowners to undertake projects. He expected the property sector to recover in the fourth quarter of this year and normalize by early next year. He added the country has a strong foundation for recovery as the government, private and corporate sectors, as well as the people, had built resilience. Sunway Berhad's wholly owned subsidiary, Sunway Holdings, is acquiring a 51% stake in Credit Bureau Malaysia (CBM). Upon completion of the acquisition, Credit Guarantee Corporation Malaysia Berhad (CGC) and Sunway Holdings will be the two shareholders of CBM. According to Sunway President Datuk Chu Chee Kin, the acquisition will enable the group to advance its ambition of building a financial technology fintech ecosystem and securing a digital banking license to promote financial inclusion for Malaysians and small and medium enterprises (SMEs). With the collaboration, CBM and Sunway Group will soon be able to offer seamless and end-to-end services from credit reporting right up to the various finance-related services to Malaysians and SMEs within the vast business ecosystem of CBM and Sunway Group. The strength and expertise of CBM in credit reporting and trade referencing will complement the existing finance-related services offered by Sunway Group, which includes money lending, hire purchase, factoring and cross-border remittance. Malaysia is among the priority countries in Asia-Pacific that need to take action to support local airlines to survive the COVID-19 pandemic as the impact on the industry worsens. The International Air Transport Association IATA Regional Vice President for Asia-Pacific, Conrad Clifford, said urgent action from the government is needed, such as direct financial support, loans, loan guarantees, and support for the corporate bond market and tax relief. He added providing support for airlines has a broader economic implication, and jobs across many sectors would be impacted if airlines do not survive the crisis. He pointed out that 11.2 million jobs in Asia-Pacific are at risk, including those that are dependent on the aviation industry, such as travel and tourism. After the pandemic is contained, governments will need airlines to support the economic recovery, connect manufacturing hubs, and support tourism. Malaysia will have to go back to the drawing board on the 12th Malaysia Plan following the unexpected economic impact of the COVID-19 and the global oil crisis. However, Minister in Prime Minister's Department, Datuk Sri Mustafa Mohamad, stressed that the shared prosperity agenda remains intact under the present government.
As I said, when I came here, it was almost a done deal. One very important point is that the 12th Malaysia Plan and the 13th Malaysia Plan, which covers the period 2021 to 2030, this is the period when we want to implement the shared prosperity vision. This vision was launched in October last year by the previous Prime Minister, but the current Prime Minister has, for very good reason, has decided to embrace this philosophy of shared prosperity, and this is going to be the main agenda going forward in the next 10 years. We want to distance living, want to share prosperity with everyone. That's our objective, so that remains intact.
Datuk Sri Mustafa, who is in charge of economy, said the period also presents an opportunity to speed up the digital government agenda, digital commerce and cashless society via a webinar organized by Ideas Malaysia. Oil income has contributed as high as 40% to the government's coffers previously, and now contribution hovers at 20%, which he says is quite a large percentage, resulting in great implications to the economy. However, Datuk Sri Mustafa also pointed out that selling of government assets is not a wise option for now, as asset value is low at present. That's all the time we have for Bizworld. I'm Nakia Bashruddin. Thank you for tuning in, and for those fasting, Salam Ramadan and Selamat Berbuka Puasa.